The 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class crossover is getting a light refresh. We weren't quite sure what changed at first glance either, but there are changes. On the outside, the headlights have been reshaped to be more aggressive like those on the A-Class and CLS-Class. The metal trim in the front and rear lower fascias has also been made larger. The tail lights changed, too. The interior is almost entirely carryover with the exception of the infotainment system. Now the GLC-Class will have MBUX infotainment rolling out in every other Merc model. It will include all the different control options such as voice, center console touchpad, touchscreen, and steering wheel touchpads. The center display has been updated to a 10.25-inch widescreen, too. An optional upgrade is swapping the physical gauges for a 12.3-inch screen. The 2020 GLC-Class also gets a new 4-cylinder engine. It's turbocharged and has the same displacement as the old version, but it makes 14 extra horsepower for a total of 255. Torque is the same at 273 pound-feet. The engine will continue to be paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Mercedes didn't mention anything about a replacement hybrid model. The GLC-Class will be hitting dealers late in 2019. Pricing has not been announced yet, but will likely be available later this year. We expect it to be similar to the GLC 300's current base price of $41,695.